If you've been scrolling online lately, you've probably come across cart700.com, the site that claims to hand out free gift cards for doing almost nothing. The idea sounds tempting. Complete a few deals, and boom, you get a free Amazon or Visa card. But is it really that simple, or is something else going on behind the curtain? I decided to dig deeper into cart700.com, completing several of its so-called easy offers to see what happens next. At first, the site looks convincing with its clean layout and promises of instant rewards, but once you start the process, things take a sharp turn. Instead of receiving your gift card, you're directed through an endless list of deal requirements. Download this app, sign up for that service, enter your email here, and complete yet another qualifying offer. Each step feels like it brings you closer to the reward, but it actually pulls you deeper into a web of data collection forms and trial subscriptions that quietly ask for credit card details. Some of these subscriptions renew automatically after the trial, meaning you could end up paying more than you ever expected. A quick security scan of cart700.com reveals multiple redirects to third-party pages, and its trust score across scam-checking platforms is alarmingly low. Even more telling are the user experiences shared online. People report never receiving their promised gift cards, despite finishing every required task. Others mention a flood of spam emails after using their personal information on the site. After completing everything myself, the result was clear: no gift card, no confirmation, and a lot of wasted time. While cart700.com doesn't appear to directly steal money, it thrives on collecting data and pushing users into unwanted subscriptions. In 2025, free gift cards that sound too good to be true still are, and cart700.com is a perfect reminder of that.